Namaste students. We are going to start with our next topic of the probability. It is in continuation with the previous video only, where we did the types of events. We did algebra of events. The next is very important, mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. Mutually आपस में exclusive किसी चीज this girl has this exclusive quality man, that is not with anyone else. Is it clear? Exclusive events. I'll explain you with this example. Let a die is thrown and the sample space is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. A is an event getting say even number, so it will have 2 4 6. B is the event getting odd numbers, 1 3 5. Clear? Alright. Now if you see these two events, even number and this odd numbers, these two events are, if I talk about the set wise, these two are disjoint sets. If this is my 1 3 5, so 2 4 6, these A and B, this is B, this is A, these are disjoint sets. Disjoint set, that means there is nothing common. That means the event A excludes the event B and vice versa. B and vice versa. Is it clear? These two events cannot occur simultaneously. These two events cannot occur. अब 2 आया है तो 1 नहीं आ सकता. Is it clear? Odd numbers and even numbers are different. Is it clear? That means two events A and B are called mutually exclusive events if the occurrence of any one of them excludes the occurrence of other events. These are said to be two events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive if occurrence of one event, मतलब एक ही happening, occurrence of one event excludes the occurrence of other event. Is it clear? That disjoint, there is no connection, they cannot happen simultaneously. These are called mutually exclusive. Very important in class 12th, we need it. Is it clear? We need it. They should be disjoint set. For example, if I take this, A is getting an even number, and if I say इसके साथ है B getting prime numbers, so what will B have? 2, 3 and 5. So 2 belongs to A also and 2 belongs to B. So this A and B are not mutually exclusive. These are not mutually exclusive. There is nothing common. Nothing common in these two sets. There is nothing common in these two sets. Is this clear? One note. The simple events, because उसके अंदर एक ही एलिमेंट होता है, simple events are always mutually exclusive. MCQ में आ सकता है. Simple events are mutually exclusive events always. Is it clear? Simple events are always mutually exclusive because simple events क्या है, जो उसमें एक ही sample point होता है. It has only one, so it will not be common with the other. Is it clear? Only one sample point. Clear to everyone what is simple mutually exclusive events? The next very important, I hope it's clear, nothing is common. ठीक है, उनके आउटकम्स में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. They can't occur simultaneously. Then we say mutually exclusive. Next is exhaustive events. Exhaustive events. Exhaustive events. All right. Now, what are exhaustive events? For example, again, I'll take a example. A dice is thrown. Simple है. First, I'll just tell you. Exhaustive events का मतलब होता है कि अगर एक sample space है, उसमें 2-3 events हैं. Suppose getting an odd number, getting an even number. Fine. So, अगर उन दोनों को आपस में union ले ली जाए, उन दोनों इवेंट्स की आपस में यूनियन ले ली जाए और यूनियन लेने के बाद हमें सैंपल स्पेस ऐसा आंसर में मिल जाए, तो उन दोनों इवेंट्स को बोला जाता है एग्जॉस्टिव इवेंट्स. मतलब अगर सभी इवेंट्स जो एक क्वेश्चन के अंदर जितने भी जो भी इवेंट्स दे रखे हैं, अगर उनको यूनियन ले ली जाए, इफ आई ज्वाइन दोज इवेंट्स और हमें सैंपल स्पेस आंसर में मिल जाए, दोज इवेंट्स आर कॉल्ड एग्जॉस्टिव इवेंट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई पिक अप, सपोज ए इज द इवेंट, number less than 4, B is an even, a number, suppose the number which I'll talk about, it is greater than 2 but less than 5, and C is a number greater than 4. Clear? Let's see what all things will come in this. What will A have? Number less than 4, 1 2 3. Number greater than 2 but less than 5, number greater than 4. Now if I take a union, A union B union C, what I get? All the elements of A as well as of B as well as of C, but repetition not allowed. So it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that's equals to sample space. इसका मतलब the events, say E1, E2, बहुत सारे events are said to be exhaustive if their union, suppose En तक है, that becomes sample space. अगर उन सबको ज्वाइन कर दिया जाए तो if I get a sample space as an answer, those events are said to be exhaustive events. Those events are said to be exhaustive. Is it clear? इसके अंदर अगर एक और चीज हो जाए, इसके साथ साथ अगर एक और चीज हो जाए, एक वर्ड आता है mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. मतलब दोनों प्रॉपर्टी इकट्ठी एग्जिस्ट कर जाए, एक्सक्लूसिव भी हो एज वेल एज एग्जॉस्टिव भी हो. मतलब ये तो है ही है कि E1, E2 अप टू जितने भी दे रखे हैं उन सबका यूनियन तो सैंपल स्पेस आ ही जाए, बट उनके अंदर कुछ भी कॉमन ना हो कि भी इंटरसेक्शन En के साथ नहीं है, दैट्स इक्वल्स टू 5. इज इट क्लियर? दैट्स अ डिसजॉइंट सेट. इंटरसेक्शंस अगर ले ली जाए तो वो खाली है, बट अगर उन सबकी यूनियन ले ली जाए तो इफ इट इज अ सैंपल स्पेस देन दैट इज कॉल्ड म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव एंड एग्जॉस्टिव इवेंट्स. एक्सक्लूसिव प्रॉपर्टी भी है, कुछ कॉमन नहीं है, लेकिन सबको मिला दिया जाए तो आई गेट अ सैंपल स्पेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डाइस इज थ्रोन, A is getting an even number, B is getting an odd number. A union B लूं तो क्या आएगा? 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is S. And A intersection B लूं तो क्या आएगा? 5. So A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Is it clear? Very, very important concept, children, it is. I hope it's clear to everyone. Alright, we'll just do few related examples and that will be finishing off with this topic, mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. See the examples which is written. 3 coins are tossed. So I've written the sample space already. 3 coins are tossed. So I know the sample space. A is no head. When there's no heads, only one option is there, TTT. B, exactly one head. So these 3 options, at least 2 heads. At least का मतलब, I hope it's clear to everyone. At least का मतलब होता है कम से कम 2 हेड. 2 हेड भी आ सकते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा हेड भी आ सकते हैं. 2 हेड भी आ सकते हैं, 3 हेड भी आ सकते हैं. अगर 4 होते तो 4 भी आ जाते हैं. But that is not there. Is it clear? So at least 2 heads, 2 or more. They're asking me to check whether they are mutually exclusive or exhaustive events or not. Exhaustive के लिए I need to take the union of these 3. If it comes equals to sample space, then it is the answer. Take it. We take all the elements of ABC, but the repetition is not allowed. So that's my sample space. So yes, they are exhaustive. Now for exclusive, I need to check their intersections. A intersection B. Is there anything common? No. I take A B intersection C. Is there anything common? No. I take A intersection C. Is there anything common? No. So therefore A, B, C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. This is how you're going to check mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So next exercise is all about your events, types of events, algebra of events, and mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. I hope it's all clear to you all. It's very, very easy topic. Just little concentration and the practice required.